Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll learn how to install Codeblock. Search for Codeblock. Okay. Select Codeblock website. Okay. So Codeblock website is open. Select download option. Then select download the binary release. Okay. Here the list of available setups are shown. Okay. We want to install Codeblock with MinGw compiler. Here two download links are available. Select any one. So we are selecting first option Codeblock with compiler. Okay, click on it. Here download is started, but I am already downloaded Codeblock IDE with compiler. So install this setup. Select Codeblock exe. Select next option. Here terms and conditions. Okay, select I agree. Here destination folder. Select install. Here Codeblock is installing. It will take some time. Okay, so Codeblock is installed successfully. Okay, so do you want to run Codeblock now? Select yes. Okay, Codeblock is open. So let's write one CPP program. Select file, new, and select empty file. Okay, empty file will be open. So select first save this file. So it is our first program. So I am mentioning its name first dot cpp. Okay, cpp is extension. So save. Okay, so include IO stream. So we are including IO stream file, then using namespace std semicolon. Okay, using namespace std. Then main method int main bracket open curly bracket close curly bracket. Okay, in the body of main we are writing our code. Okay, so just display some one message cout double quotation semicolon. Okay, in the double quotation we are writing some text. That text will be displayed on screen. Okay, at the rate coding with hr. Okay, so we are writing text that is at the rate coding with hr. This text will be displayed on screen console. Okay, then return 0 end with semicolon. Okay, so we are just display one text that is coding with hr. Okay, before run this program we want to compile or build this program. Okay, so select build. So our program is compiled successfully. Okay, then run. Select run. Here @coding with HR text displayed on console. Okay, that is our first simple program. Thank you.